first one is called loading, I.C.T loading. And here we have the I.C.T cleaning. And here we have the screen printer or steel strip screen printer. And Andy will teach me how to operate this machine and how to program it. And here also we have the cooling, the campfire. And here we have the pick and place machine. And Andy will learn me how to program this machine and how to operate it. And here we have also the campfire that communicates between the two machines. And here, as you can see, the I.C.T reflow. And Andy teach me how to program it and operate it. And here we have the cooling campfire. And here we have the AOI automatic optic inspection from I.C.T. And here last is the unloader. And the I.C.T machine is very good, and they have a good surface, and they have good quality, and they have good machine.